Okay, so it is Friday, March 28th, 2025, and it is beautiful outside. So, I thought I'd get a video of my two trane XR14 heat pumps running in cool mode before I head out to Florida tomorrow. So yeah, here they are. Here's the downstairs one. That one's been running longer. I'm just firing this one up for the video. That one, I'm gonna shut this one back off after I'm done. I'm gonna keep that one on because it needs to run. Alliance squirrel compressor. There's the fan motor. March of 2022, 14-seater, 3.5 ton, and it has XR14 refrigerant. Already cold, looking great. Here's this one. 2022, 14-seater, 3 ton, also XR14 refrigerant. Also from March. So what's crazy is about this month, these things will be 4 years old. It's hard to believe. I don't know if I got a video. I'm trying to do a reversing valve. But yeah. And also expect a lot of new videos coming on Monday or Sunday actually. Actually all week because I will be in Florida and it's gonna be hot out over there, so yeah. 15. LG scroll compressor. There's the fan motor for that one. You can hear the goats. Yeah, take a better shot of that one. Yeah. That's it. I don't know if I showed the LG scroll. And then there's the reversing valve. Also looking great. 14-seater. Alright. So yeah. Just thought I'd get a video on my two train units running before I head out. And it's like, so yeah. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. Over and out.